Welcome to the ultimate introduction to Vray for Blender. This course is the result of months of hard work and I'm thrilled to finally share it with you. With over 13 hours of on-demand videos and 65 carefully structured lessons, this comprehensive training takes you through every aspect of Vray for Blender, giving you a complete and practical understanding of this powerful rendering engine. Every minute of every lesson has been thoughtfully designed to deliver the best possible learning experience. You can expect the same high quality content and teaching style that you've come to love from MographPlus. We'll also keep the course up to date, adding new videos and lessons whenever Vray receives major updates, so your knowledge stays current with the latest tools and features. Now let's take a closer look at what you'll be learning throughout the course. We'll start the course with an introduction to Vray for Blender, exploring where to find its key tools and features, and walking you through the overall workflow for completing basic rendering tasks with Vray. Next, we'll dive into the fundamentals of color management and color spaces. You'll learn how to properly set up ACEScg and sRGB color workflows in Vray for Blender, ensuring accurate and consistent color results throughout your projects. In the next section, we dive into the world of lighting. You'll learn the core principles of lighting and discover various powerful lighting tools, including area lights, mesh light, spotlight, direct light, IES light, dome light, image-based lighting, Vray sun and sky, and even procedural clouds. We'll guide you through both interior and exterior lighting setups in Vray and show you how to create stunning volumetric effects using environment fog and aerial perspective. You'll also get hands-on with LightMix, Vray's interactive lighting tool that lets you fine-tune the color and intensity of your lights in real time, even after the render is complete. Finally, we'll explore how to seamlessly integrate 3D geometries into HDRI environments and photographic backplates for realistic production quality results. By the end of this section, you'll have a strong command of lighting in Vray, from foundational principles to advanced techniques. In section 3, we explore global illumination, also known as indirect lighting. We'll start by understanding how light behaves in the real world, how it bounces, scatters, and interacts with surfaces, and then see how Vray simulates this behavior using global illumination. Next, we'll dive into the different GI engines in Vray, including Brute Force and Light Cache. You'll learn how each one works, their strengths and limitations, and how to use them in various lighting scenarios to achieve the most realistic and efficient results. Finally, we'll cover how to create realistic caustics in Vray for Blender, bringing that extra touch of physical accuracy and visual richness to your renders. In the next section of the course, we dive into Vray materials and maps. You won't just learn about each of Vray's specific materials, you will also gain a solid understanding of core shading principles and advanced techniques used in modern shader development. We'll begin with the versatile Vray material, a powerful shader capable of creating almost any type of surface. This part of the course includes 8 in-depth lessons dedicated to mastering it, including an introduction to the OpenPBR mode inside the Vray material. Next, we'll explore bump and displacement mapping and take a close look at Vray's dedicated subsurface scattering material for creating realistic skin, wax, and other translucent surfaces. We'll also cover Vray Hair next, an intuitive yet highly capable shader designed for realistic hair and fur rendering. After that, I'll introduce a simplified, practical approach to shader creation, where we'll build everyday materials such as plastic, fabric, wood, concrete, and metals from scratch. We'll also dive into car paint, blend, switch, two-sided, and light materials, followed by a detailed look at Vray's powerful utility maps, including curvature, dirt, distance, multi-subtext, triplanar, and UVW randomizer, among many others. By the end of this section, you'll feel confident and capable of developing even the most complex and realistic shaders in Vray for Blender. Next, we move on to cameras, learning everything you need to know about camera types, depth of field, motion blur, and all the essential tools for working with cameras in Vray. We'll start by exploring the Vray physical camera in depth, understanding how it replicates real-world camera behavior. Then, we'll learn how to achieve cinematic depth of field and realistic motion blur effects to enhance the visual quality of your renders. We'll also take a closer look at the different camera types available in Vray, along with lens effects, auto exposure, and how to create VR-ready renders for immersive experiences. In section 6, we focus entirely on rendering with Vray. We'll start by learning the fundamentals of image sampling and ray tracing, understanding how Vray calculates light and color to produce high-quality renders. Next, we'll explore ACES and ACEScg, an industry-standard framework for managing color across the entire production pipeline. You'll learn what ACES is, how ACEScg serves as its working color space for rendering, and how to set it up properly in Vray for Blender. Finally, we'll cover how to handle ACES-managed renders in post-production for a consistent color workflow from start to finish. After that, we'll dive into Vray GPU and hybrid rendering, exploring how to make the most out of Vray GPU as a reliable rendering engine. We'll then take a deep look at the Vray Frame Buffer, a powerful self-contained workspace that allows you to relight, composite, color correct, and compare your renders without even leaving Vray. You'll also learn about denoising with a detailed look at all the available denoising engines in Vray. We'll compare their results and learn how to apply denoising to both still frames and animations effectively. Next, we'll explore render channels, understanding what each channel represents, how to export them correctly, and how to use them in post-production. We'll practice compositing render channels in both Fusion and Blender's native compositor, including the popular Back to Beauty composite using beauty render elements, and LightMix compositing for post-process relighting. Finally, we'll wrap up the section with an overview of the remaining render settings, ensuring you have full control over every aspect of your rendering workflow in Vray. If you are serious about learning Vray for Blender, this is the course to take, plain and simple. This is the ultimate training program for mastering Vray inside Blender. We've put an incredible amount of time and effort into making sure every lesson meets the highest standards, delivering a well-structured, in-depth, and professional learning experience that will help you take your creative career to the next level. This is also the 25th online course we have produced here at MographPlus.com over the past decade. Thousands of students from around the world have taken our courses, and now it's your turn to join them and learn from one of the most comprehensive Vray for Blender training programs available anywhere online. So go ahead, sign in or sign up, and let's get started.